creadigedd sydd wrth graidd dysgu a datblygu. Felly i archwilio effaith adroddiad Donaldson, Successful Futures, ac i chwilio potensial dysgu creadigol a ffocws ar y defnydd creadigol o gelfyddydd gyfoes drwy hyd a lled y cwricwlwm. Cynhaliodd y Corff Celfyddydau Rhyngwladol Arts Mundi ei gynhadledd ddysgu gyntaf. Chwiliodd siaradwyr y gynhadledd y rôl y gall celfyddyd gyfoes ei chwarae mewn addysg ac amlygu ffyrdd ymarferol o'i chorffori yn yr ystafell ddosbarth. Traddododd yr athro Donaldson ddarlith lle trafododd yr angen sydd i'r system addysg yng Nghymru feithrin creadigedd.
I suppose the first message to artists and to everyone else is please be engaged. Please don't think this is something which other people are going to work out and then you'll just simply do what you're told at the end of the day. Creativity is about the curriculum as well as about what's in the curriculum.
Well, to me, one of the really fantastic things that's going on in the Donaldson report is the constant reminder that education, personal development, is not about qualification. That will allow us to look more broadly and more fruitfully, I hope, at actually why are we involved in education anyway? It's to grow and to learn.
Roedd yna gyfle hefyd i ymarferwyr ac addysgwyr yn y celfyddydau rannu enghreifftiau o arfer gorau mewn sesiynau grŵp ar ddull gweithdai.
We're actually giving intensive professional training to creatives to work in the school environment. But it's bringing a kind of, to use a bit of a cliche, but thinking outside the box and just looking differently or maybe looking more intently at things.
Roedd hwn yn ddiwrnod hergar ysbrydoledig. Roes gyfle i'r cenedleddwyr gael dirnadaeth gan ymarferwyr sefydlog a'r hyder i'w chymhwyso i'w harfer yn y dyfodol. Cefnogwyd y digwyddiad gan Gyngor Cerfyddydau Cymru a Rhwydwaith Addysg a Chelfyddydau Canol De. Comisiynodd A2 Clymu gyfres o adnoddau digidol cyflenwol.